Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your creative ideas into amazing designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily set up and use Canva's Brand Kit to keep your brand looking consistent and professional. Let's get started. First, let's open Canva and go to the Brand Kit. You can find it by clicking on the Brand Kit tab on the left sidebar. If you're using Canva Pro, you'll have access to all the features we're about to cover. If not, consider upgrading to use these powerful tools. Setting up Brand Kit. Once you're in the Brand Kit section, you'll see options to add your brand logos, colors, and fonts. Let's start by uploading your logo. Click on the Add Logos button and upload your logo files. Canva supports PNG, JPG, and SVG formats. Customizing colors. Next, let's set up your brand colors. Click on the Add button under the Brand Colors section. You can add colors by entering the hex codes or using the color picker. Add all your main brand colors here. Now, let's move on to fonts. Click on the Add a Heading Style button to choose your brand's fonts. You can select from Canva's font library or upload your own custom fonts if you have them. Set up your main heading, subheading, and body text fonts. Creating a design with Brand Kit. Let's create a quick design to see how it works. I'll start with an Instagram post template. As you can see, my brand colors and fonts are easily accessible on the left sidebar. I can drag and drop my logo onto the design. Use my brand colors for text and backgrounds, and select my brand fonts for any text elements. Always use your Brand Kit elements and create templates for frequently used designs to save time. And there you have it. A simple way to set up and use Canva's Brand Kit to keep your brand looking consistent and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.